Good morning and welcome to MarineMax. My name is Chris Honig, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard Series. The boat we have with us today is a white hull with a dune interior, and we have the sea decking on the back of the boat for a really good look and comfortability. As we come up onto the boat, you'll notice a 150 Mercury 4-stroke engine. The sea decking continues throughout, and we have a reverse seating lounge that folds down into a great sun lounge. This boat comes with a upgraded appearance package, which includes LED lighting, stainless steel, and upholstery upgrades. We also have the snap-in infinity woven vinyl flooring for the bow and cockpit. This boat also comes with a Simrad 5-inch chart plotter and a Fusion stereo with 4 Fusion speakers. There is tons of storage and room on this boat for entertaining. The boat seats Coast Guard rated 12 people and has a ski pole for skiing and wakeboarding. Oops. This boat comes with massive amounts of storage in all the seating and a huge storage compartment back here for beach chairs and wakeboards and everything else you need to store for your trips. We also have a bimini top on this boat, so you're able to get under the low-hanging bridges and ease of access for dry storage. Again, this is Chris Honig, and thank you for coming out and viewing the 2019 210 SPX. And if you have any questions, please give me a call on my cell phone at 910-617-3646. Thanks and have a great day.